Welcome back. This is day 2 of English speaking practice. Today, the topic is asking and answering questions. We will learn how to ask simple questions and give short answers. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Germany. I am from Germany. How old are you? How old are you? I am 50 years old. I am 50 years old. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. No, I don't have a dog. No, I don't have a dog. Practice these questions and answers every day. Tomorrow, we will learn common action words. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and join us for day 3.